Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork fried rice. First, ensure you have 2 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. This is key for that perfect fried rice texture. Next, dice about 8 ounces of pork into small, bite-sized pieces. You'll also want to get your vegetables ready, perhaps 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots, and a few green onions. Having everything prepped before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and faster. Now, heat a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Add your diced pork and cook it until it's nicely browned and cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the pork and set it aside. Next, add a little more oil if needed, then toss in your cold rice. Break up any clumps and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the rice starts to get a little toasted and fragrant. Create a space in the wok by pushing the rice to one side. Crack 2 eggs directly into the empty spot and quickly scramble them until just set. Now, combine the scrambled eggs with the rice. Add your prepared peas and carrots, along with the cooked pork, mixing everything thoroughly. Finally, pour in your sauce mixture, typically 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, ensuring it coats all the ingredients evenly. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Once everything is heated through and well combined, remove the wok from the heat. Garnish your delicious pork, fried rice with freshly sliced green onions for a burst of color and a hint of fresh flavor. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fragrant. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.